Once you have logged in to your Blackboard account, the College Strong the College Strong course will come up. The College Strong course will come up. You will enter on the Getting Started page where you found this video. It's important whenever starting a new course to navigate, click around, and just explore the course. This video will take you through the different sections so that you know where everything is. The faculty information is just the contact information. The lessons and modules is where you're going to spend most of your time. So when you enter the lessons and modules, there are 5 lesson folders. The first lesson is changing courses. These lessons are all self-paced. You can enter them and do them as you please or as the time allows for it. You can do one a day. You can do more than one a day. So in changing courses, if you choose to start at the first one, you are going to click on this, and within this, you're going to see 6 folders. There's a high school versus college is the first one that comes up, and this folder you're going to find basically the main differences between high school students and college students. And then there's a graded assessment. All of the graded assessments will be in red. You need to make sure that on these assessments you score an 80% or higher to move on or to successfully complete that folder. The next one is on growth versus fixed mindset, active versus passive learners, email etiquette, and then at the bottom we've got 2 case studies on Kayla and Harper. You can go back to lessons and modules on the left menu, or you can also do it at the top, whichever is your preference. The second lesson folder we have is personalizing preferences. There's 3 folders within this: learning styles, pros and cons of online courses, and Charlie. Remember to make sure you take the graded assessment with an 80% or higher in each folder. I'm going to go back to lessons and modules now. Handling hurdles. We've got in handling hurdles 4 folders: emotional intelligence, 2 case studies on Sean and Jonas, and then managing time in yourself. Next, we've got accomplishing assignments. This actually has 6 folders in it: authentic versus inauthentic readers, college student resources, a case study on Rachel and Norton, what's in a course syllabus, and quizzes, tests, and exam prep. Under the college student resources, you'll notice there are 2 graded assessments in this, and you still need to take both of these with an 80% or higher. Lastly, the course completion. Within this lesson, there is just 1 folder on college student voices. This is a video about Wake Tech students who have successfully completed their courses and a graded assessment. Once you are finished with all 5 lesson folders, you will have completed the course, and to view your grades, you'll simply click on My Grades over here, and it will take you to your grades in each, and you can check and see how many attempts that you took or what your grade was specifically for each lesson or assessment you completed. There are some other things to note over here. The course resources is a variety of different documents to help you. These are here for your knowledge and your completion of college courses. In this section, you'll find a variety of different resources, and these are here for your advantage. Please save them or print them out as you feel needed. The tools are different Blackboard tools, and then the student support. If you need any Wake Tech IT support, the contact is here, and then as well as Blackboard support here. We hope you enjoy this self-paced College Strong course for Wake Tech. Have a great day.